On Wednesdays, we wear pink. Hi guys, so today after ages and ages and ages, I'm gonna be unboxing another bling bag. You guys have been missing these sort of videos and I thought I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so why not? Let's go ahead and unbox this box. I haven't seen anything yet because obviously it's sealed, so how can I see? And I have my handy dandy scissors with me, so I'm just gonna open this box up in a very professional and sophisticated manner. Obviously that's how I am. If you don't know me, that's how we do things here. So yes, this is what the inside of it looks like. Obviously this is not the bag yet. White just ruins everything in the video. I don't know why. So if you don't know by now, March is the month that Women's Day is celebrated in. It's on the 8th of the March. So the theme of this month is the powerful you. So that's what the March bling bag is all about, like a powerful, empowered woman. So they have given out this card which says, Happy International Women's Day, you are a strong woman with abundant power, you have the power to draw strength from struggles. So it has all of those positive little things. So this white card actually tells you that a part of your amount that you've paid for this bling bag will go in funding of a girl child's education who's in need, which is a great thing. I always love things like these because you're not overly donating or doing NGO stuff, but you're still helping someone in need, which I absolutely love. So that's what this white card says. And then lastly we have this card which is like a flat 10% off on their bling boutique, and they have a code right here which is BB March 10th. If anyone of you wants to use it, you can use it. I will have this in the bottom bar as well. This is not my code, this is a generic code that they have created, so we have that. And then inside they have it gift wrapped like this. So once you take off that gift wrap, they have this bubble wrap bag inside. This is what it looks like. The clutch is actually pretty chic. It has like women on it, but it looks very chic. Something that I could carry like that as well because it looks really chic. It's very colorful and the quality is really nice as well. It's not like a cheap, leatherite sort of a material. It's a very nice feeling leatherite material. So I'm just gonna open it up and see what do we have in here. So the first thing that comes to my hands is this thing right here, which is a ring. Let me just open it up. Oh, it's such a pretty ring. This one retails for $7.99 individually and it's very heavy, feels very sturdy. This looks pretty good and oh, it fits me as well. It's a pretty ring. I really like it. It's very pretty. It's very different. I've not seen something like this anywhere and I really like it. It's very cute, and obviously you can wear it with any sort of a cloth because it's so colorful. It will go with anything and everything whatsoever. Then we have this red baggie right here, and inside what do we have? Is this a bracelet? I think this is a bracelet. This is for $8.99. I still haven't seen what it is, but it's for $8.99. Oh, it's a bracelet. And it's so pretty. This reminds me so much of like Egyptian culture for some reason. I don't know why, but it's really pretty. And again, it fits me. Anything that has to do with the hands, I'm so nervous because I have man hands, so nothing really fits me. But it's so pretty. I love the work on it. Again, I haven't seen anything like this anywhere. You can wear this with a blue t-shirt or white or black t-shirt. It would look stunning against it. It's very pretty. I love the blue undertones of this piece right here. It's very stunning. I actually cannot wait to wear this one. It's so beautiful. Alright, next up we have this pink pouch right here. And we have a pair of earrings from what I can see. These retail for $8.99 rupees as well, and they are so stunning as well. They are quite in theme with this bracelet right here, like that blue off blue sort of a color theme. And these jewelry pieces look so powerful, like somehow they almost like go parallel in themes with the powerful term of it. They are so pretty. Like they're not dainty pieces. These are not dainty pieces. These are more like statement out there YOLO sort of pieces, and I love those pieces. And the last thing that I have in my bag is this thing, which should be a necklace because they like work on all aspects. Bling bag, that is. And this one retails for $12.99 rupees, but obviously you pay only one fee for the bag. Oh, it's a long neck piece and this is what it looks like. I would probably wear this with like a plain off-shoulder white top or plain black top. Most probably white. I love wearing jewelry with white pieces because I feel that's what brings out my jewelry pieces the most. But this again is such a powerful piece. But if you have to ask me my one favorite piece from the bag, it has to be this bracelet, hands down. It is just so stunning. I cannot wait to wear this. This is just so pretty. This is exactly the type of jewelry that I like to wear. I could also like get this into a choker sort of a thing by adding like strings on the sides because it's just so stunning. I love this one. It's just extremely pretty. So yes, that was everything that I got in my bling bag for the month of March. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing after ages and ages and ages. And if you don't know what a bling bag is, I will link down my previous bling bag videos in the bottom bar for you guys, so that you guys can go ahead and see what a bling bag is. It is basically a subscription bag for jewelry, for boutique jewelry. But yes, nonetheless, I will have links for you guys in the bottom bar. And yes, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.